Wondering which AI assistant suits you best, Manus AI or Claude? Let's dive in and find out. In today's video, we compare two AI tools to help you choose the right one for your needs. Both Manus AI and Claude are designed to make life easier. They assist with tasks, answer questions, and handle data, but they each come with unique qualities. Manus AI is known for its intuitive interface and adaptability. It's great for those who want a user friendly experience while diving into complex tasks. Its capabilities extend to a wide range of activities, making it versatile for personal and professional use. On the other hand, Cloud shines with its ability to provide creative solutions. It's particularly appealing for those in fields like writing and design, where a touch of creativity is essential. Claude is also known for its conversational style, offering a more human like interaction. Now, let's look at the key differences. Manus AI focuses on adaptability and efficiency, while Claude excels in creativity and engagement. If you need straightforward solutions, Manus might be your go to. But if you want innovation, Claude could be your pick. When comparing features, Manus AI offers robust analysis and data handling, great for business tasks. Claude, meanwhile, is equipped with creative content generation and engaging dialogues, making it ideal for artistic projects. Pricing can vary, but generally, Manus AI tends to offer competitive rates for large scale usage. Claude, with its creative edge, might come at a slightly higher price but offers value for innovation seekers. So, what's the final verdict? If you prioritize efficiency and need an all arounder, Manus AI is a strong choice. However, if your work leans toward creativity and novel ideas, Claude is perfect for you. That's it for today's comparison. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.